In today's video, I'm going to teach you activating your Lebara Esim is simple. By the end, you'll be set up for calls, texts, and mobile data without needing a physical SIM card. First, make sure your device supports eSIM and is connected to Wi-Fi. eSIM is a digital SIM built into many recent phones and tablets. If you're unsure about compatibility, check your device's specifications or your carrier's device list. A stable Wi-Fi connection is important because your phone will securely download the eSIM profile during setup, and mobile data might not be available until activation finishes. Next, open the email from Lebara that contains your personalized QR code in a PDF. This code is unique to your line, so keep it private and don't share it. If you have access to a computer or another device, open the PDF there so your phone's camera can scan it easily. Make sure the QR code is clearly visible on the screen and not obscured by any toolbars or low brightness. On your phone, go to Settings, then look for Mobile Cellular or a similar option like Mobile Data or SIM Manager. Choose Add eSIM or Add Mobile Plan. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your device, but you're looking for the option that lets you add a new eSIM. When prompted, scan the QR code from the PDF. Hold your phone steady and fill the camera frame with the entire code. If the code isn't recognized right away, increase the brightness on the screen, showing the PDF, or zoom in a bit so the code is crisp and high contrast. Avoid glare or reflections that could confuse the camera. Now, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the eSIM installation. Your phone may ask you to confirm adding the plan, name the line for easy identification, and choose whether to make it your default for calls, messages, and data. If you plan to use Lebara for data, select it as your mobile data line when asked. Let the phone finish downloading and activating the profile. This can take a minute or two. Once installation is complete, you're ready to go. You should see the new plan listed in your cellular settings, and signal bars may appear for the new line. If everything looks good, try loading a web page or sending a message to confirm data and texts are working. That's it, your Lebara eSIM is active, and you can enjoy calls, texts, and mobile data without swapping a physical SIM.